Yeah, good morning, everybody. Today we are going to discuss some of the word problems which are given in our exercise 2.2. So on the other day, we have discussed the second one and maybe the third one I have given as homework. Parvati, did you join? No, she not yet joined. Harleen Kaur,
Sir.
Yeah, did I give the third one or fourth one as the homework, Nana? Which one I have given? Third one, right? Yeah. So should I explain the third one or shall I move to the fourth one?
Sir, explain.
Explain. Yeah, Sai Manikanta Teja is asking explain. Sai Manikanta Teja, did you join my previous class?
Sir, yes.
So you joined, but still you did not do that. Did you? Okay. So let me take to that whiteboard. He's asking, explain, right? So when he's demanding, we cannot do anything. We have to. So what are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and the difference is 28? So here, third solution, we will be writing like this. Third solution given is the sum decreased. Size is decreased. Yeah. So third solution, I said, is given as given. Sum is given here. And then difference is given. Sum is given and difference is given, right? What is the sum given as? The sum is given as 58 and the difference is 28. 58 and the difference is 28. And we need to find the two numbers. How many numbers? Two numbers. Now, what do you mean by sum, Nana? First thing, sum is nothing but when you add two numbers, addition. When you add two numbers, so finally what you get, that is called as sum. Now, difference means what? Difference is nothing but when you subtract two numbers, the answer which you will get is called as difference. Okay, so here let me assume like this. Let even I have said to you that this is the way you have to do. Let larger number, no dot means number. We want two numbers. In that, one will be big, one will be small. So the bigger one I am taking as larger number. Let the larger number is equals to x. Is equals to x. Now I'm going to take the help of this sum. It's given that sum is equals to. So what I can write that larger number plus smaller number is equals to 58. What it was here? It was sum. Now what do you mean by sum, Nana? Addition of a big number and a small number is called sum. So already I assume the larger number as x. So here I can write it as x plus, now smaller number will be as it is. What did I do? Only in the place of larger number, I have written as x is equals to 58. Done? Now, try to take this x also to the other side. Now, the question is why I should take. I should take so that I can get what is the smaller number. So I will write here smaller number is equals to 58 and this x which is in the left hand side will be transposed and it will come to the right hand side and you will get minus x. That is plus x will become minus x. Now we got two things, Rana. We got the larger number and also we got the smaller number, right? So the next option which is given, that is difference. I did not use this condition, right? So let me write that condition also here. As you know, that difference, once again I'm writing here, difference is given. Parvati is joining now, very late. Difference is equals to 28. Now what do you mean by difference, Nana? I said when you subtract two numbers. So here I will be writing larger number, sorry, L is not good, larger number minus smaller number. Good morning, sir. Larger number minus smaller number is equals to 28. Now what is the larger number here? The larger number is x. Larger number is x. So I will write here the larger number as x minus smaller number. What is the smaller number? 58 minus x. But here 58 minus x, we are having two terms. How many terms? Two terms. So if you are having two terms, definitely we have to put bracket, right? You have to put bracket, otherwise you will get wrong answer. Okay. So here, what did I use? I used here sum is equals to 58. Now sum means what? Larger number plus smaller number. Now I am using what? The given second condition, difference. Difference means what? Larger number minus smaller number. Now you take the minus inside and you will get something like this. X minus will go inside. Minus into plus is minus 58. You will get minus 58. Again, minus into minus is plus, right? X is equals to 28. Now you have x plus x, x plus x. X plus x will be 2x, and we have minus 58 is equals to 28. Transpose this minus 58 the other side, you will get 2x is equals to 28. Minus 58 will become plus 58. I think you know that, right? Minus will become plus. Now, what is 28 plus 58? 8, 8, 16, carry 1, 86. It is 86. Now 2 will go that side, and 2 will become by 2. That is x is equals to 2 1 times, then 2 4 times 8, 2 3 times 6. So we are getting finally x as 43. We got x as 43. So do you think our work is over? No. Our work is not over. Why? Because the question is not asking find x. The question is what? What are those two numbers? We should write what are the two numbers. Just a minute. My pen has fallen down. Yeah. Thank you. I got it back. So what are the two numbers? What are the two numbers? Big number and the small number. That is larger number and the smaller number. So x is something which you took for your convenience, right? For your convenience, you have taken the x. So now let me take you again to the board here. X is 43 we got. So I can write here the larger number, because x was what? X was nothing but the larger number. So you can write here at last conclusion like this. Therefore, larger number. You took the larger number as x, and that x you got as 43. Then what is another number? Another number is the smaller number. Smaller number. What is the smaller number? 58 minus x, which you took. So 58 minus x. X just now you got. So subtract that 43, because in the place of x, what I'm writing? 43, because x is 43. So that's substitution. When you subtract 58 minus 43, 8 minus 3 is 5. And 5 minus 4 is 1. 15. So we've got two numbers. What are the two numbers? Two numbers are 43 and 15. I hope you understood. Now I'm decreasing the size. You can take a screenshot of this and you can copy later. After taking the screenshot, just show me thumbs up, Nana, so that I can understand it's done. Yeah. Sri Varshini, what happened? Sitting like this. Taken screenshot. Okay. So your video was tracked. You can put off your video, Nana. Then the voice will be clear and everything will be clear. Not compulsory. Video you can put off. No problem. You all are good guys, no? Yeah. Now, shall I move to next question? Yeah. So what's the next question? What is the next question? Next question is question number 4. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. I repeat, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers. So here two things we should understand. First thing is, what is mean by odd numbers? Second thing is, what are actually consecutive odd numbers means? What is the word meaning consecutive? Consecutive is nothing but parasparamaina. That means the very next, right? What is the consecutive number of 5? It is 6. What is the consecutive number of 7? It is 8. So they are side by side, right? But we want consecutive numbers not. We want consecutive odd numbers. Generally, what are the odd numbers? Odd numbers are like 1 is an odd number. What is the next odd number? 3. What is the next odd number? 5. What is the next odd number? 7. So here, if I take 5, what is the consecutive odd number of 5? Consecutive means the very next, the next one is 7. 5 and 7. So how much increased? 2 increased. 2 has increased, right? 5, and after that plus 2, we got 7. So every consecutive odd numbers will have a difference of 2. That means here, let me take the whiteboard so that you can better understand. Just a minute. Yeah. This is question number 4. Fourth solution. Let, what we want 2 consecutive odd numbers, right? Finally we want 2 consecutive odd numbers. So let me take let first odd number. We don't know what is it. So when we don't know something, we have a habit of assuming it as x. Let first odd number is equals to some x. We are assuming it as x. Then the next odd number. What will be the next odd number? Next odd number will be 2 more than that. Why, Nana? Just now we have discussed that the odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That means if you take any odd number, the next odd number will be 2 more than that, 2 more than the previous one, right? 9 is 2 more than 7, 7 is 2 more than 5, 5 is 2 more than 3. So if you take x, then its next consecutive will be nothing but plus 2. So here, instead of next, instead of the word next, what we will write? We will write consecutive, so that you can, so first I wrote next so that you can understand, right? The meaning of consecutive is also next. Consecutive odd number is equals to x plus 2. Done? Yeah. Next, let me take back to the question. What is the condition which is going to help us? The sum of 2 consecutive odd number is 56. Sum is given. What is given? Sum. So what do you mean by sum, children? The meaning of sum is nothing but, here we will write given.
Addition.
Yeah, addition. Very good. Given sum is equals to, I forgot. What is the sum? Sum is equals to 56. Sum is 56. Whose sum? Sum of first odd number plus second consecutive odd number. So first odd number is x plus second odd number is what? X plus 2. X plus 2 is equals to 56. So this is called sum. Sum means addition of. I hope you're getting me, right? Yeah, done. Now remove the bracket. We will get x plus 2 is equals to 56. Now x plus x, they are like terms, so we can add that. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 2 is equals to 56. Now take this 2 to the other side. You will get 2x is equals to 56 minus 2. Plus 2 is transposed to the other side. It becomes minus 2. And we get 2x is equals to 54. That is the next step. 54. 56 minus 2 is what? 54. Now we want x. So who is extra here? 2. Even take that 2 also to the other side. When you take into 2 to the other side, you will get by 2. So x is equals to, what you will get? 2 1 times, here 2 2 times, 2 7 times. That is, we are getting x as 27. X as 27. But should we feel happy? No, no, not yet. Because the question is not asking x, no. What is the question? The question is find the 2 consecutive here. Find the numbers. Yeah, find the numbers. So here, let me write the numbers. Therefore, at last we can write therefore, first number or first odd number is equals to, that's what we took, right? So the same 2 lines again will come last. First odd number is x, and x we got as 27. Then we got consecutive odd number. So please write consecutive odd number or next odd number, that's up to you. Consecutive odd number is equals to x plus 2. So x is 27, so it will be 27 plus 2. 27 plus 2 is what? 29. So what is the question actually? Sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers. Here the 2 odd numbers we got as 27 and 29. And if you add this 2, 27 plus 29, what you will get? You will get 56. 27 plus 29, you will get 56. That's it. Your 4th question is over. You can take a screenshot and show me thumbs up. Done? Spurti, Kaushika, done beta? Yeah, thank you. Okay. Now let me move ahead. Let me move to the next question. Wow. Now this time, sum of 3 consecutive multiples. So 3. Now not 2 numbers. This time what am I? 3 numbers. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Wow, it's a good question. Now how the multiples of 7? Actually, what are multiples of 7? Let me show you. Then I will take the question again to you. This is question number 5. So fifth solution. What are actually multiples of 7? Multiples of 7s are like 7 1 times 7, 7 2s are 14, 17 3s are 21, 17 4s are 28. So what is happening? Sorry. What is happening here? Every time 7 is increasing. So first it was 7, then we got, plus 7. After that, again plus 7, 21. Again plus 7, we got 28. So 3 consecutive terms. What are those? We don't know. So here we can assume like this. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 7 are, the first one we don't know. First one will be x. We will assume as x. So if the first one is x, you can see what is happening every time? Plus 7. Every time what am I? Plus 7. So the second one will be x plus 7. Third one will be already x plus 7. To that again 7. Right? So plus 7 plus 7. It will be plus 14. It will be what? Plus 14. So simply here I can write plus 14. So this is how we are getting the 3 consecutive multiples of 7. I hope you understood, right? I hope you understood. So now let me rub this one so that I can move ahead. Right. Now again, once again back to the question. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 7, we wrote that, is 777. So sum is what? Sum is 777. So again, same like previous question, here also sum given. What is sum? Sum is 777. Whose sum? Sum of these 3 consecutive multiples of 7, right? So we need to write those like this. When you write, what will happen? X plus, so this is given, Nana, this is given, right? Given sum is equals to 777. So x is the first term, x plus 7 is the second term, third term is x plus 14, and I am adding because it is sum, is equals to 777. Now x plus x, 2x, 2x plus x, 3x. So I will get here 3x plus 7 plus 14, it is 21. So what did I do? I have added the like terms, right? X plus x plus x, they all belong to the same family. So I have added and written as 3x, and 7 and 14 are pure numbers. I added them as 21. Now, what we should find actually? We should find the value of x initially so that we can get the 3 consecutive multiples. So other than x, whoever you see, just take them to the right hand side and you'll get 3x is equals to 777. This plus 21, when it comes to the other side, you will get minus 21. Then simplify, 3x is equals to 700. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. 756. First solve this, and then only you take the x to the, 3 to the other side. And yeah, here 3 is extra, no beta. The 3 is coming here, and we are getting by 3. Into 3 became what? By 3 transposition. Now let us try 3 1 times, 3 2 times, it is 6. Then we have 15. 3 5 times 15. 3 2 times 6. Wow, good. So finally, what did I get here? I got x as 252. Wow, sounds great. I got 252 as x. But do you think your question is find x? No. The question is what? Multiples of 7. Find the multiples of 7. So here we can write, therefore, at last we can write, therefore the required 3 consecutive 3 consecutive multiples of 7. Conclusion is very important. What the question is asking, the same direct answer should be the conclusion. Multiples of 7 are, yeah, what are those? What are those? First one is x. So x is what? X is 252. Next one is what? X plus 7. First one is x over nana. Next one is what? X plus 7. So x plus 7 means x is already 252. To that 252 we should add 7 and we get how much? 259. The next one is what? X plus 14, the third one. So x plus 14, x already we got as 252. Then to that 14 we need to add and we get 264. So what are the 7 consecutive numbers? They are, let me write here, they are 252, 259 and 264, right? So these are the 3 consecutive multiples whose sum is 777, 777. Just a minute. This is your answer. You can take a screenshot. After taking screenshot, just show me thumbs up, Nana. Yeah, thank you. This was question number 5. Everybody understood, no? There's no issue. So shall I have some water? Until that you can read the next question for yourself. Don't read it loudly. You read yourself. Yeah. Okay, children. Moving on to the next question. That is question number 6. A man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus as far as twice by the train. Wow. These are actually called the daily life problems or daily life situations, right? A person is walking. First he's walking. How much distance he has walked? 10 kilometers. Now maybe his legs were paining and then he traveled a certain distance by train and then by bus. So totally 3 things. First he walked, then he traveled by train, then he traveled by bus, right? Now some condition is given that then by bus as far as twice by the train, as far as twice by the train. Now what does it mean? It means it's clearly given that he's walking for 10 kilometer distance, right? Then it is given that he is traveling by train, but how much distance he is traveling by train, there's no clarity. So we will be assuming the distance traveled by him on train as x, right? Now whatever distance he traveled on train, double of that, twice of that he traveled by bus. So that's the meaning. Then by bus, how much by bus? As far as twice by the train, means whatever he traveled the distance on train, double of that he has traveled by the bus. So if he has traveled train, the distance of train is x, then the distance traveled by him by bus will be what? 2x. That is twice. Twice means 2 times. Now one more thing is given. If the whole journey is 70 kilometers, wow. What do you mean by whole journey? The distance the person has walked plus the distance the person has traveled by train plus the distance the person has traveled by bus. These all 3 together he has traveled 70 kilometers. But we have to answer only one thing. What is that? How much distance he has traveled by train. I hope you understood. So let me solve this. This is question number 6, Nana. Question number 6. Okay. Question number 6. First we will write let distance traveled by train is equals to x. What? Yes, because this is the question. The question is asking us what is the distance traveled by the train, isn't it? Yeah, have a look once again. Read the last line. How far did he travel by train? So far means nothing but distance we are talking about, right? Yeah. and that is X. And after that, let me write here, given, what is given? What is given? Distance walked, given, distance
10
walked,
kilometers.
10 kilometer. Yeah, thank you for supporting. Distance walked is 10 kilometer. Then the next one is traveled by train is over. Now remaining what? Distance traveled by bus. So here I will write distance. Yeah, beta, correct. Distance traveled by bus is equals to 2x. Why? Since twice word is given. What is given? Twice. Sorry. Next, what is given, Nana? Next, total journey is given, right? Total.
70
Yeah,
kilometers.
just a minute. If the whole journey, yeah, total journey is given. Total journey instead of, yeah, let me write total journey. That is the total distance. Is how much, Nana? 70 kilometer. So he has traveled by 3 means: on foot, first on foot, then by train, and thirdly by bus. So we need to add those all, right? So here, let me write like this, like so that you can understand it in future, like walking plus by train plus by bus is equals to 70 kilometer. That's the meaning. But in the next step, directly we will substitute here. Now we are going to substitute. Walking is 10 kilometer plus by train, it is X, which we assume. By train, we assumed as X. And then by bus, right? By bus, it is what? 2X is equals to 70. Now here, I'm not writing the units, kilometer. If you want, you can write. Otherwise, finally, we will be writing as kilometer. Now, these two are like terms, Nana. We cannot write 10 plus X as 10X because they are not like terms, right? Yeah, but X plus 2X, definitely we can write it as 3X, and 10 plus will be as it is equals to 70. Now do one thing. What? Take the 10 to the other side. Why? So that, please don't do annotation, Nana. Yeah. So when you take 10 to the other side, you get 3x is equals to 70 minus 10. That is 3x is equals to 60. And now into 3 further will become by 3 when it is transposed to the other side. 60 on 3. That is x is equals to 20. How, sir? 3 1 times and 3 20 times. So we are getting finally x as 20. Should we feel happy? No, not yet, not yet. Because the question is not find x. The question is what? The question is find the distance traveled by train. So we should feel happy by concluding at the last here like this. Therefore, distance traveled by train is x. Actually, that's what we assumed, right? Is x. But now we got that x is x. Now we got that x as 20 kilometer, right? So here I can write 20 and then please add the units as kilometer. This is your conclusion and this is your answer. Just a minute. Yeah, let me decrease the size so that you can take a good screenshot. Yes. Have a screenshot and then show me thumbs up. Great. Yeah, do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me. Otherwise, I will move to the next question.
No, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So let me move to the next question. That is, Vinay bought a pizza. Wow, whenever we hear the word pizza, our mouth starts watering, isn't it? But please control your mouth and control yourself. Presently, it's a rainy season and we are in a very dangerous pandemic situation. So outside junk food, please avoid. Okay. If you want, you prepare it your home food, right? Prepare in your own food and it will be healthy food and have it. Okay. So Vinay bought a pizza. How lucky Vinay is. Then what did he do? He cut it into 3 pieces. when he weighed the first piece, he found that it was 7 grams lighter than the second piece and 4 grams heavier than the third piece. Wow. Wow. Vinay, he bought a pizza. He cut into 3 pieces. Now, by mistakenly, all the 3 were not weighing same. There are 3 pieces. First piece, second piece, third piece. Now, the first piece is 7 grams less than the second piece. Means first gram is how much less? 7 grams less than the second piece. And the same first piece is 4 grams heavier than the third piece. 4 grams heavier than the third piece. Did you understand? Yeah. Next thing is what? If the whole pizza weighed 300 grams, how much? Means the total quantity or the total weight of the pizza is 300 grams. So how much did each of the 3 pieces weight? That means weight of first piece, weight of second piece, weight of third piece is something which we should find. So here, weight of first piece we should take as x because we don't know. Then the weight of second piece we should take as x plus 7. And the weight of third piece we should take as x minus 4. Why? See, beta, here understand. First piece is 7 grams less than second piece. Understand? First piece is 7 grams less than second piece. Means second piece is 7 grams more than first piece. Did you understand? I repeat. Here, first piece, he found that it was 7 grams lighter. Means less than the second piece. So first one is 7 grams less than second piece. That means what? Second piece is 7 grams more than first piece. So if you take the weight of first piece as x, then the second will be x plus 7. And the weight of the third piece is what? X minus 4. And after that, you will write as given total weight is equals to 300 grams. And below that, you will write x plus 7 plus x minus 4 is equals to 300. And then you will be finding the weight of each piece. First, you will find the value of x. Will you do this? Will you do this? Already hint is given. Will you solve this one? Only Ananya is giving thumbs up, Nana. You did not understand. Manikanta is also giving thumbs up. Nana, first you should assume here, whatever is given, let weight of first piece is equals to x. Second step, weight of second piece is equals to x plus 7. Third step, weight of third piece is equals to x minus 4. And below that, you will write given weight of total pizza or weight of whole pizza is equals to 300. And after that, the next step will be total pizza means what? First piece plus second piece plus third piece, no. So x plus 7 plus x minus 4 is equals to 300. And further you need to solve x plus x plus x, 3x, 7 minus 4 is plus 3 will go that side. It will become minus 3, right? You will get 297 and here you will have 3x. So 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 9s are 27. So the first piece is 99 grams. See, Nana, we can do this orally also, right? Now I'm asking you to do by using pen and paper. What is the weight of first piece? 99 grams. Am I clear to you? Weight of second piece, 99 plus 7, 106 grams. Weight of third piece, 99 minus 4, 95 grams. All the best. Already I have said. So you need to solve this on your own. Now let me take to the next question because we have a lot of questions, right? We have a lot of questions. You need to. So here first 8, 9, 10, it's on hold because it will take a little bit more time. So I'm going to discuss 11th question first and remaining questions we will see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. So 11th question, 2 complementary angles differ by 12. Find the angles. So here again, you should understand what is the meaning of complementary angles. The meaning of complementary angles is if, let me take to the board because board will help us more, no? If sum of 2 angles is 90 degrees, if sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then those two angles are together called as complementary angles, right? So this is question number 11, children, which I am discussing now. 11 solution. Given complementary angles. Now, what do you mean by complementary angles? Complementary angles means what? Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. If sum of two angles, if we add two angles and we are getting 90, then they are called as complementary angles. Next, what is given? They differ by 12. Means there will be two angles. One is bigger one is the smaller one. So bigger minus smaller is how much? 12. That is the difference, right? So here, let me take the bigger angle. The angles are complementary, but here I will be taking the bigger angle as like this. Let larger angle, it will be better. Let bigger angle. No, I'm not at all happy with that. Let large angle is equals to X. We are taking, yeah, now I'm back. So let larger angle is equals to X. Now I will be taking the smaller angle next, then smaller angle, then the smaller angle is equals to 90 minus X. Why? Since large angle plus small angle, right? Large angle plus small angle is equals to 90 degrees. First thing, right? How? Because it is given that they are complementary angles. Now, what do you mean by complementary angles? If two angles sum is 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. Now, small angle, keep here the small angle, right? And large angle is what? X already, you know that. So X plus small angle is equals to 90 degrees. When you take this X that side, what you will get? You will get only small angle, right? So small angle is equals to 90 minus X. Right, 90 minus X. So we are getting the small angle also. Next, given thing. Now, sorry, given already you have written, no? One more thing is given. What is that? Difference. The difference is given. Let me take back to the question. Two complementary angles differ means difference. Okay, is 12. So here I will be writing difference is equals to 12. Now, what do you mean by difference? Difference means what? Larger angle minus smaller angle. So let me write that. Large angle minus small angle is equals to 12. Now please substitute. What is large angle? Large angle is X. So in the place of large angle, just write X minus. What is small angle? Small angle is 90 minus X, but it is having two terms. So we need to take bracket. 90 minus, sorry, 90, let me write good. 90 minus X in bracket is equals to 12 degrees. Now remove the bracket. When you remove the bracket, you need to take minus inside and you'll get X minus 90. Then this minus into minus, right? Minus into minus, you'll get plus. What you'll get? Plus. So when you remove the bracket, you will get plus X is equals to 12 degrees. Now please don't get confused. X plus X. We are going to add these two terms. Why? Because they are like terms, right? So X plus X, you will get 2X. Just a minute, let me take it upside. Yeah. So you'll get here 2X minus 90 degrees is equals to 12. Now even bring this minus 90 also to the other side. You will get 2X is equals to 12 plus 90, right? Minus 90 will become plus 90. Now what is 12? What is 12 plus 90? 12 plus 90 is, sorry, 12 plus 90 is 102 degrees. So X is equals to 102 degrees by 2. So here 2 1 times 2 5 times 10, then again 2 1 times. So x is what? 51. So finally here we are getting x. We are getting x as 51. So that's it over our work. No. Nobody's asking you x, no. What is the question? The question is find the angles. So find the angles. What is the larger angle? X. We got x. So at last we can write here conclusion like this. Therefore, larger angle. You should write down here, Nana. Large angle is equals to x, and that is what, Amma? 51 degrees. Then what is the small angle? What is the smaller angle? Smaller angle we took as 90 minus x. Where, sir? Have a look here. Oh, not that much less. Here you can see small angle is 90 minus x. So the first two lines only, again last two lines. Please remember for every question. So small angle is 90 minus x. That is 90 degrees minus 51 degrees. What is 90 degrees minus 51 degrees? It is 39 degrees. So the larger angle is 51 and the smaller angle is 39, right? Yeah. Please take just a minute. Yeah. Now take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot and show me thumbs up. Done? Yes, children. So that's it for today's session, Nana. He went in bus for 40 kilometer. Yes, correct only. If train is 20 kilometer, bus will be double, no. So that is 40 kilometer. Correct. Your answer is correct. So now let me give some more homework because we are getting